everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be planning out the week of February 20th in my Hobonichi weeks. I was actually just updating my habit tracker and giving a second for the dots to dry, and I pressed record and I was like, wait, I'm not ready to to turn the page. I think it's going to be fine though. But this is how I'm doing on my habits for the month of February. So far, not too bad. January was definitely, I feel like I'm doing not as great. I don't know, although some of these habits are different too, so it's not totally fair to compare them. Anywho, let's go to the current week. This is what this week is looking like. It's like a busy week, but not busy on paper, if that makes sense. I haven't even put the sleep dots in here. Anyway, I'm going to leave that because we'll turn the page and I don't want the dots to mark up the pages, but I'm really still loving my weeks. As you'll see, I have a different cover on. I don't think that this one's the honey. This is the apricot. That's what color this is, the apricot. I can't use my honey anymore, and I'm just going to give you like a 2-second trigger warning because I unfortunately got paint on my cover. I shared this over on Instagram. Make sure you're following me over there. This wasn't even 2 weeks old and I got paint on it. It's a long but also short story. I thought my planners were far enough over on my desk, and when I realized what was happening, there was paint getting everywhere anyway. Made it onto here. I made several attempts to remove it and it wouldn't come off, so I'm a little bit sad. But I don't know. I feel like I could still use it and no one would ever see the outside. I don't know. It's still hard to look at because it's a painful memory of my horrible, horrible mistake. Anyway, let's move on because I will, oh my goodness, that was painful to look at. So let's move on to this week. I'm just going to take this out of the cover. Actually, I already had it out because I knew I was going to pull it off of there and move this over to the side, nowhere near the planner that has paint on it. So I really love the apricot cover, or apricot, however you want to say it, but I do worry that this lighter color, everything makes me nervous now. So that's where I'm at with that. All right, so let's jump into it. I'm going to be using the Sarasa Dry in the 0.4. You guys know that this is one of my favorite pens of all time. I love it. And also using some Planner Monkey Co. stickers and some Randy Dot Plan stickers. And I think this week we will go with a green theme. I'm going to be using Tombow marker number 228. I'm obsessed. This is one of my faves. All right, so let's start with these day covers. They're not necessarily date covers. I just kind of like the look of them. I see a lot of people using them and I'm like, right on. I love that. I want to do the same. So that's where we are. And I'm just going to kind of, try not to mess up my planner. Ooh, we're starting off strong today. Part of me wants to use whiteout. I'm trying to put it right in the middle so that it's over the day and over like the moon phase. I think that's what that is. So yeah, I think I told you guys too, I grabbed a spring Hobonichi weeks for no reason whatsoever. No reason whatsoever. I'm perfectly happy with this cover. Absolutely love it. I got it and I was even like so annoyed with myself, so I may gift it. We'll see. I know that I have a lot of people that would really love to try a Hobonichi weeks, so that would be perfect for them. So this week is going to be the same similar simple setup that I do every week. One of the things, I recently posted like a planner update video, and I'm even like more down the rabbit hole of exploring bullet journals. I've purchased a couple so that I could experiment with them, and we will see where it takes me. All right, we're done with that sheet of stickers. Awesome. I'm going to grab my Westcott ruler to make the line down the middle of the page here. I greatly appreciate that they put little marks for us to follow on here because I wouldn't be able to do it otherwise. And I'm just going to make this move it slightly over so that I can have basically a checklist column. And I'm going to let that dry before I color it in green, because essentially that's what I would like to do. And then the same as last week, I'm just gonna draw the line down here for this area and then divide the boxes to the width or the height of the horizontal days for each one. And then I'm also gonna go back and split it in half because I like to use mine for weather and for meal planning. Which, by the way, this week we did a really good job of sticking to the meal plan. I was pretty impressed. We've kind of struggled there. We've all been kind of going in very different directions. So sometimes no one is even home to cook dinner, which makes things especially interesting. All right, I'm just gonna make this line to separate where I have my habit tracker across the top. And then I like to do like a small double line. Maybe I'll make it a little bit wider this time so I can actually color it in with the Tombow marker. All right, this should be good and dry. You guys might get to witness a complete disaster. I don't know. I always just use the ruler to help sort of guide me, and we will see. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. I love that. I hope you guys can see how awesome that is. And then let's do the same for this over here. Love that. Ooh, I feel like that's gonna tie everything together like really, really well. And then I think just to change it up, I think what I'm gonna do is separate the boxes with a green line instead of the double black line that I was doing before. This green is just stunning. I don't know what it is. It's just like a beautiful, almost a sage green. I could be getting the color all wrong, but I think it's gorgeous. I'm sure next week's color is going to be like all purple, or maybe the week after for Go Wild. Okay, got everything sort of separated there. Now I'm gonna put in my work schedule, which is going to be the same Monday through Thursday with work from home on Friday. Work stuff is in there. I think so far I've got, this is the week where I do a lot of like my one-on-one coachings with leadership. There's honestly too many meetings to even put in these little boxes, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave them out. Now, a couple of events I want to highlight are when I have videos going up. So of course, Monday's video, and I'm just gonna draw it in, is going to be a plan with me in my Hobonichi weeks. Or nope, that's the cousin. This video is going up on Thursday. Probably not the best drawing of a play button that I've done before, but that's gonna be okay. Okay, and then on the 23rd, it is my friend Danny's birthday. So we're gonna put that in here. And then the other thing that I have is on Friday, we have Friday Night Live over on Instagram. So make sure you join me over there. And it's definitely going to be Wild themed since it is the last one before Go Wild. And you guys will have to let me know if you're going to go wild. I know not everyone is, but if you are, let me know down in the comments. And then at 8 o'clock, I think I have that time correct, is a Planners and Wine Facebook Live. You do have to be part of their Patreon to attend. That is super fun. So that's going on Friday. And I don't think we have anything set for Saturday because we're going to the movies this Saturday, not next Saturday. Almost wrote that in here, but we're actually going to see Ant-Man and the Wasp this Saturday, not this week. I think this Saturday I'm going to spend some time doing some last minute shopping for Go Wild if I need to, so I didn't have anything planned, but I do need to get my nails done. So let me make sure we put that in there, and I think I'll just shoot for like 2 p.m. And then on Sunday, I just want to do a nice little weekly reset, especially because I will really only be here one day the following week. So I want to make sure my family is all prepared for me to be gone. And then, let's see, packing. And then the other thing that I need to put in here is that Jesse will be out of town for work Tuesday through Wednesday. I don't normally put that in here, but since this video is going up after when he will already be back, then I feel comfortable doing that. But I'll just put this little arrow here. He's only going for a 1 day, well, technically 2 day work trip. So put that here, Jesse in Texas. There we go for all of the weekly things, nothing too major. Next is my habit tracker over here across the top. I do this every single week. I absolutely love it. I changed up some of the things just to be a little bit more relevant to what I was actually accomplishing or interested in accomplishing, and not to continue to keep things on there that I was just no longer interested in achieving, because I was like, well, that's not fun, right? To just keep tracking things that I know I'm not even gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy this list over to this week. Okay, everything is in there for those things. Next, I usually just keep a running to-do list here. And honestly, this is going to be like a huge to-buy list, which I definitely need to work on like off camera, because I need to review my packing list for Go Wild, make sure I didn't leave anything out, because I do every single year. But I'm gonna work on that probably off camera, because that's gonna take some time. I am gonna do my sleep tracker. I absolutely love these Randy Dot Plans stickers, because I don't have to think about where to put things for the tracker, which is exactly what I need. Oh, I need to go over one more. But I do love tracking my sleep, because it has just been kind of all over the place. And with me being on new medication, I definitely need to track my sleep just to make sure that that's not affecting things in that department. All right, so we'll do 6, 7, 8, and then 9. And then I'm just gonna put sleep down the side here. Anything to use more of this green color. Now, this middle column, which I almost completely forgot about. Okay, so the good thing for this week, let's do the weather up at the top. That's what I've done before. Love that. So Monday is going to be nice and sunny. I can appreciate that. It's going to be actually a very, very warm week and sunny all week. So we're just going to throw a bunch of suns down, which has been great, because I've used almost all of my Randy Dot Plans, like cloudy stickers, rainy stickers. It's been like, we knew spring was coming, but it is definitely here now. We do have a partly cloudy day over here on Saturday, and then very cloudy on Sunday. All right, there we go. The weather is in there. All right, on Monday, we are going to do a crock pot meal. Tuesday will be tacos. We did burrito bowls this week. At least I think I had burrito bowls in there. Sure did. But this week we're going to do tacos, and it's probably going to be chicken tacos. I will say the one thing that we didn't end up having, even though I said I stuck to my meal plan, was the spaghetti. So we're going to move spaghetti to this week. And that was because we had leftovers from the burrito bowls. Thursday is fend for yourself, and then Friday is takeout. And then, like I've shared before, we don't really plan in advance Saturday and Sunday. Sometimes I'll write in there what we've had to eat after the fact. It's just too far out for us to plan our meals. All right, I'm gonna reference what I need from my list and then come right back after I've added it to my to-do list. I have added everything in. It was just a couple more things that I want to make sure that I pick up. So some sneakers. I need to replace the strap to my Apple Watch because I got paint all over it, just like I did my planner. And then I want to get like an alternate pair of pajamas, nothing too major. And then of course my other list is meal plan, groceries, and drop off donations. We are doing like some major decluttering and purging in our house, and every week I want to make sure that we drop stuff off. So there you have it. That is it for this week's Plan With Me in my Hobonichi weeks. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.